And we are on. Hey guys, and welcome to the new video of what Big Joe bought from TEMU again. What junk did I get? You wanna find out? Be sure to watch this video. So, the package arrived today. The mystery package from TEMU, the shopping app, the Chinese shopping app. So, spent 30 euros on it. Because they gave me a gift of 20 euros if I spent 30 euros. So total value $50, 50 euros. Let's see what I got. What gifts they got me. Well, you have to choose them in the app, but yeah. Yeah. So, should we start with the strangest things or not so strange? Let's start with the biggest one, with the biggest. I'm just a kid whose intentions are good. Oh Lord, please don't let me be misunderstood. So, let's open this baggie and see what the heck did I get. Is this an animal? It's an animal. It's an animal. It's a husky slippers. Husky slippers to scare my dog. I hope it will be big enough. Very fluffy here. Fluffy, fluffy, fluffy number. 48 to 49, but I guess it's Chinese numbers, so it's not that big. I don't know if my feet will fit, foot will fit inside. Anyway, there are two of those, so I'll be walking in huskies. Oh yeah, walking in huskies. Oh, what stupid stuff I got. So these were about $5 or 5 euros. For the winter here, they should keep my feet warm. Okay, put it on the ground. Maybe Mr. Hachiko will discover it later and be scared of it. I gotta put all these trash bags. Okay, next one. Should we go with a smaller? Let's go with a smaller. I got lavalier mic, or how do you call it? Wireless lavalier microphone for my phone. If we'll do any driving videos with a motorbike or stuff like that, we'll try it out. See how it works. So the sound for for YouTube will be better. This was like a gift. I don't know. It was priced like 18 euros. Yeah, I don't believe it. Maybe 5 euros, something like that, for this lavalier microphone worth. But this, as I said, was a gift from TEMU. So we'll be trying this one out. Where the fuck should I put it? Okay, well, let's put it over there. Then the next one, I got this wireless buds for the ear. These are a little bit different one. You just put them like this, you know, and you look high tech. Are there two? Or is this just one? What the fuck? I think this is just one. There should be two. What the fuck? They only gave me one. There should be something else, don't you think so, guys? Maybe it fell from somewhere. Anyway, we have to check. If it's more than one, it should be more than one, otherwise I'll make a complaint, because only one. Okay, let's go on. What's in this box? This was a box inside. Let's check it out. It's glasses. I think it's like four pairs of glasses. It was also, and they give you like this little thingy to wipe it off. So 4 pairs of glasses. Ones that I already have. Yeah. So glasses number 1. Should we keep this now? Okay. Oh, there's another one of these. Are there 4? No, there are just 2 of them. So this is glasses number 2. It's the same model, just different colors. So these are black and red. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. UV 400 protection. Those were cheap, you know, like $4, something like that, dollar a pair. Okay. Let's go next model. These are black, like Men in Black. So black pair of glasses. What do you think, guys? Do I look like an alien? Or yes? Yes, I do. So cheap glasses from China. And the last pair is black and white. So you will see the world in black and white. Yeah. Yeah, they're like sporty models, see? Black and white. Mostly black. Oh yeah. Hello, baby. Yeah, nice glasses. Also, I think the lenses are pretty good. Plastic, fantastic, but yeah, pretty clear vision. And yeah, that's it from this. This goes away. And we'll throw all of this junk inside of this little bag. That's not all, guys. That's not all. What we got for 30 euros. Now, I got a t-shirt. 5 euros it was. And one was for free. Let me see this one. It's kind of that jersey thingy, you know. It's 6XL, but like Native American stuff is now like pattern. See, 6XL. Like that. Yeah, it's big enough, but yeah, it's like jersey thing, yeah. You can see, I don't know if you can see, you can kind of see through. So, not what I expected, but okay, I thought it would be cotton. That's what happens when you don't read everything on the back, yeah. So I got two, one was for free, one I had to pay. So basically, one costed 2.5 euros for this shirt. It's still, if it's cheap, it's the same, see, same. It's basically it's 2.5 euro shirt. Then, what do we have here? A mystery red, no, yellow package. I got the red package. You see what happens when you have too much time and you're just sitting in front of a computer, you start buying stupid stuff from internet, you know. That's how TEMU gets you. It promises you like free stuff. Oh yeah, this is the other buds I ordered. These were also gifts, so they were for free. The buds for the cell phone, yeah. So big Joe can listen to music while I travel, yeah. I'm just putting this shit off, and now we see we have little this, yeah, beautiful color. But yeah, as I said, they were for free, these buds. Yeah, this is how they look like, wireless, and I guess this just will be how it looks like, yeah. Okay, so this is the buds. There should be something more, yeah. There's also a USB charging cable. I don't like this wire that they put around, so I always take it off and it goes to trash. So look how long is this shit, so short. But yeah, here it goes. See, one goes here and this one goes into USB port, and then you charge it. I'll have to charge it. So yeah, USB buds for free. Retail value about two bucks, I think, €2. They come with this warranty. Czechia, Netherlands, Dance, Swedish, Magyar, Greek, Chinese, Italiano, Espanol, English instruction manual. Yeah, if you can read it, written in so tiny letters, my god. Okay, this is trash. This is trash. And we're still not done, guys. We're still not done. We have more stuff to come. What is this now? Yeah, it's like the military t-shirt. But I thought it was black and white. I think I ordered black and white. And again, it's not cotton, it's like that jersey thingy. Just printed like military colors, military stuff. But yeah, it looks like more black and white, but it's like bluish thingy. Yeah. Anyway, not impressed by the t-shirts this time. This one was €5 as well. So, but no gift for another one. And I guess, yeah, there is no more empty package. There is no more of these buds. That should be 2. I think this one goes apart. No, it should be 2. Wireless earphone, and it says earphone. It doesn't say earphones, and it doesn't. I don't even know how to charge it. Where does it charge? Oh yeah, I guess you put the USB-C directly there, or what? I have to check out this one. What they did. Anyway, another package, I guess. Is this one? I have no idea what it says. Guangzhou Zhengyu Crafts. And then something in Turkish. What did I order? I don't even know myself. Let's open this package. What the fuck is this? Anyway, this is the last thing I got. I really don't know what's inside. I'll open it, whatever it is. Ah, okay, now I remembered. It's a special glass for drinking, I don't know, wine, or I don't know what. Look. Ooh, it's pretty heavy, guys, pretty heavy. But it looks like shit. So, the special dragon and the dragon queen glass, you know, with the diamond here. Plastic. Fantastic. No, but the glass is really heavy. It's like aluminum here. It says it's 2 deciliters. We'll have to test if it's real. It looks like more like 1 deciliter, but okay. But yeah, this dragon. See, it's not even colored correctly. I don't think this is what I expected. See, like here, I think it should be colored by the end of this wings, you know. I think the Chinese factory worker, they missed a few spots by when they were painting this. See, even here in the bottom, and it's with a diamond inside. It looks really bad, this diamond, and like a little bit sticky. So yeah, they use the glue, and this is a little bit rough, and this is also rough. This is smooth. Yeah, I guess this glass was the most expensive item. I don't know, €6, something like that. It's pretty heavy. I don't know what this material is. It seems to be like metal. Yeah, like metal, and then they just paint it over it. But yeah, also this golden color here, they were not very precise, whoever was making this glass. So I'm not so impressed. It looked much better on the pictures. We'll see if we'll complain about this one as well. I'm checking this. So yeah, Queen, the Dragon Mother, yeah, from the series, yeah. Game of Thrones. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video of my TEMU shopping. As you know, my leg was hurt and I had too much time in front of computer. I didn't go out anywhere, so yeah, that's what happens. Big Joe starts buying useless junk from China. And yeah, be sure to press the like on this video, subscribe if you haven't done so, and yeah, I'll see you in my next one. You can also share it or something. This is now trash. Am I happy with my purchase? No, two of the products are not as they should be, so I'm not so happy. But yeah, I'm happy with the glasses. Yeah, and the t-shirts, they're kind of low quality. So yeah, let's show the buds and the microphone works, and the glasses are nice. But yeah, the t-shirts are not happy with that one bud, I don't know. And yeah, the glass, I expected something different from this glass. It looks kind of cool, but it should be done better, I think. Yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Be sure to leave your comment down below. Check out my video up there in the corner. See you in the next one, guys.